Hey guys, it's Mr. McLean, and today we're going to be talking about slope-intercept form. So grab your notebooks and let's get into it. Today we're going to be talking about slope-intercept form, which are linear equations, where m is our slope and 0b is the y-intercept. If I have a slope-intercept equation written out like this, y is equal to 5x plus 8, the slope represented by the m in the formula is going to be 5. My slope is 5. What do you think my y-intercept will be? My y-intercept is going to be, based off our formula here, is going to be 0, 8. Remember, the first one is the x, second one is the y. So that means on my graph, I'm going to first plot my y-intercept at 0, 8, and then I'm going to do my slope. And because my slope is a whole number, I know that I also can put it over 1 and have that be my slope. So essentially my slope is still 5 over 1. Okay, so still looking at this equation here with our slope-intercept form, I know that my slope is equal to 5. My y-intercept is going to be 0, 8. So I first plot my y-intercept at 0, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then I plot my slope from there. I go up 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And because it's just a whole number, I'm only going over one space. So remember, any number as a whole number can be written as a fraction by simply putting it over 1. I can do my slope, go up 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over 1. And then I'm connecting those dots. So here's my slope. I'm showing my slope for my y-intercept, and this is how I would graph this on graph paper, okay? Now, mine's a little janky, but understand the concept, okay? If I have y-intercept, I have y is equal to 5x plus 8. The slope, matching our formula, is going to be 5, because m is representative of our slope. Our y-intercept is represented by the variable b, which is here, which is a positive 8. So we go ahead and graph our y-intercept first at 0, 8. Okay, right on the axis, right on the y-axis. Remember, this is y-axis, this is x-axis. We're gonna plot that, then do our slope, go up 5 over 1, and so forth. So you will continue on. If you were graphing a series of points, you will continue going up 5 over 1, up 5 over 1, or down 5 over to the left 1. Okay? If you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment below and I'll answer it for you. I'll do some more videos on these so we can make sure we get a good understanding. Okay guys, until next time, keep solving, keep shining, and remember, Jesus loves you. Bye.